Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Acuity Scheduling, which is a very nice appointment scheduling software that you should use. We'll go through some pros and cons, we'll check out the pricing, we'll compare it to the competitors, and also we'll do some sneak peek into it, so stay tuned. So, what is Acuity? Acuity scheduling software makes your business run in full throttle, round the clock. Your customers can enjoy 24/7 real-time availability and book their own appointments anytime. The scheduling tool comes appropriately equipped with all necessary appointment features, facilitates automated scheduling and payment processing. It comes with calendar management to ensure no confusion is experienced while scheduling an event or booking. With the help of Acuity scheduling software, you can schedule resources, facilities, make necessary reservations from multiple locations, etc. You can send automatic reminders alerts to your customers, auto-adjust time zones, and the tool is highly customizable. They are located in New York, and it's made mainly for small and medium businesses, and even maybe for freelancers. You can run it in your web browser, as I am doing right now, or download an app for Android or iOS likewise. Let's check the pricing. They are starting at $14 per month, and you can save up 6%. If you want to be paid annually or annually, yeah. The other option is obviously the monthly one. All prices are in US dollars. But the difference is like $5 on Powerhouse option, $2 at Growing, and $1 at Emerging. So, what we get? For the starting one, the Emerging, it's $14 for one staff member. You have client scheduling, offer unlimited services, and many more. I don't really want to read it out because at the end of the day, you have to do it yourself and compare it between like what you really need. And then text message reminders are not there, offer appointments are not there, and self-subscription memberships and gift certificates. It's not included in the first one. For that, you have to go with Growing, which they claim is the most popular, and you'll save up 8% if you go annually. And then Powerhouse, as the Powerhouse should be, it's everything unlocked with 36 staff members unlocked. And as I promised, I'm going to show you how it looks from inside. Great option is that you can sign in with your Google account. That is the fastest way, that is. And also you don't have to wait for the email verification option that you would get with the email one. So let's go like this. To log in instead, okay, like this. And we are starting our trial. It may take a second, and here we are. The first impressions are very nice. So it's easy to read, easy to navigate in. So you can see we have to just go business name, scheduling is in fast, business name, industry, let's go with construction, time zone, which should be GMT +1, +2, sorry. But this one. Okay. Friday. Oh yeah. It goes 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Every day, easy copy paste. We are working 4 days in a week. Next, let's go with appointments. And also you can get online payments, but let's skip this for now. And we're here. Customize your schedule page, but let's do that later. And we see our calendar. We have some pre-made bookings that you see we can or we don't need to address, but if you want to create a new one, this calendar is already pre-made for us by the days that we set that we want to work. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So let's go for tomorrow, 1:15. Appointment, type 30 minutes, but we can change it. No problem. Sorry. Okay, like this. Date 19th of May. Time 13. Client's name, let's go with Anna. Blue. Phone. Yada yada yada. And let's go like this. For example, I don't know. And you can schedule the appointment very easily. You have it in your calendar, and let's just save it. So you see we have the Anna Blue appointment at 13, will last till 13:30. And we can even edit it any type. Let's go, and we can even go longer, but yeah, it's a private one. And like this, it's obviously connected to your email account, so it will let you know when are all those meetings happening. Very nice way. You don't have to focus on too much. You can ease your head, and yeah, easily you can make a new class, new block. You can check it up from a month view. So if you want to plan in the future, on the future, easily just go to 26th. And also you can see all the appointments in the next months or next weeks. And that's pretty great. I really like it. You can print it, zoom in, zoom out, basically whatever you want to. It's very nice thing, this Acuity scheduling. So at the moment we see we are on trial. Very easy way to subscribe. You don't have to go back and forth every time. You can see the appointment availability, appointment types, and many more. So guys, there are more videos coming about Acuity and all the platforms that Acuity provides. Up until that, please let me know how you like this video. And if you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video and I'll try to answer them as quickly as possible. So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. As I said, if you have anything up on your mind, please leave it underneath this video, leave a like, and see you soon. Goodbye.